This Python program demonstrates the process of creating, training, evaluating, and using a long short-term memory, LSTM, neural network model for a regression task. The goal of the model is to predict a numerical value based on input sequences of features. Let's break down the program step by step. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. 1. Importing libraries. Python. Import NumPy as NP. Import TensorFlow as TF. From TensorFlow.keras.models import sequential. From TensorFlow.keras.layers import LSTM, dense. NumPy is used for numerical operations. TensorFlow is a deep learning framework. Sequential is a linear stack of layers in keras. LSTM is the LSTM layer for sequence modeling. Dense is a fully connected, dense, neural network layer. To load and pre-process data. Before the code snippet you provided, there should be a section where you load your data, pre-process it, and split it into training, validation, and testing sets, x_train, y_train, x_val, y_val, x_test, y_test. 3. Define the LSTM model. Python. Model equals sequential. Model.add, LSTM, 128, input_shape equals sequence_length, number_features, activation equals relug. Model.add, dense, 1. Model is a sequential neural network model. LSTM, 128, input_shape equals sequence_length, number_features, activation equals relug, defines an LSTM layer with 128 units, taking input sequences of length sequence_length and number_features in each time step. Activation equals relug specifies the rectified linear unit activation function. Dense, 1, is a fully connected layer with one output unit for regression. 4. Compile the model. Python. Model.compile, optimizer equals atom, loss equals mean_squared_error. Optimizer equals atom specifies the atom optimization algorithm. Loss equals mean_squared_error is the mean squared error loss function, suitable for regression tasks. 5. Train the model. Python. Model.fit, x_train, y_train, epochs equals epochs, batch_size equals batch_size, validation_data equals x_val, y_val. X_train and y_train are the training input sequences and corresponding target values. Epochs is the number of training epochs. Batch_size is the number of samples used in each training batch. Validation_data equals x_val, y_val, provides validation data to monitor the model's performance during training. 6. Evaluate the model. Python. Loss equals model.evaluate, x_test, y_test. X_test and y_test are the testing input sequences and corresponding target values. The loss variable will hold the model's evaluation loss on the test data. 7. Make predictions. Python. Predictions equals model.predict, x_test. X_test is the input data for which predictions are made. Predictions will store the predicted values for the test data. This program outlines the complete workflow of creating an LSTM model for regression, training it, evaluating its performance, and making predictions. Remember that the actual data loading, pre-processing, and splitting steps are missing from the snippet and are crucial for the program's functionality. Thank you.